We've landed in Charleston and we're with Sophia. We are so excited to be off the plane, even though it was only a 38-minute flight, I think. At least out of the airport, that's a better way to put it.
It sounds better than the 10-hour drive.
Here is our room. We just made it in. It's our first morning in Charleston. We made it in, was that at 1 in the morning? Made it in at 1 in the morning last night. Got some sleep on some humongous pillows. Had to just take the pillows away, they were too much. But we're very thankful to have made it. We're gonna go explore the breakfast options here at our hotel, and it sounds like we're gonna go to Folly Beach for a little while, and we're gonna have lunch at a place called the Obstinate Daughter. So we've got some fun things on the itinerary. We are back from breakfast. Our hotel has such a beautiful view on the top floor. We are unfortunately on the side of the hotel that can't see the water, where you're looking at Waffle House. But it was so beautiful at breakfast, and I have put on this little outfit. I've got my swimsuit on underneath because we are going to lunch and then to the beach, and we're gonna see Sophia, Emmy, and Blair here in a little bit. And I realized this morning that one of the cats must have clawed up this tank top, which is sad, but it's still cute. I'm still gonna wear it, whatever. Good, Sophia.
It does. Yeah. It's very different.
Are
you gonna pray?
I feel like we need your reaction now.
It's not bad.
Okay, what was this called again? You don't remember?
I keep wanting to say frugala.
Oh. Fugali? Oh! I like it.
Yeah, it's really not bad. It's got a little.
Do you like it?
Yeah, it's interesting.
It's kind of almost Indian.
It is. It's Indian and tapioca pudding and...
It's Indian and chicken pot pie and seafood combined. Now for some chowder. This was the frog.
Okay. Oh, frog.
Frog.
Is it Frogmore?
Frogmore. Yes. Frogmore chowder.
And?
It's good. We finished lunch and now we are walking to the beach. We had lunch at the Obstinate Daughter. It had really good reviews, but honestly, 3 out of 10.
No. Yeah.
At least what we tried. I mean, it was fun to try, but like, you only needed a bite, not a whole bowl full of that stuff. Ugh.
Yeah.
We're looking forward to some gelato later.
Yes.
Or ice cream or something. Have fun. Love you. Show your shell. One shell. Almost lost. We had a fun afternoon at the beach. We laid in the sun, walked. The water was a bit cold. I did get in a little bit, but not fully submerged. And we are definitely sunburnt now, and we are going to dinner at Eli's table tonight. We did get some very cute t-shirts from there. One second. Here is the t-shirt. I just loved the little kitty in the beard and of course the colors, so very fun.
You owe us an update, please.
I wish I could just like get it.
We found Love Shack Fancy. I already know that we have to go in.
Or like your mom would get it for your kid.
It's a melody player.
Thank you. Thank you. Absolutely.
Trying a lobster bake.
Really good. Better than lunch
Good.
today.
I really think I should only have one spoonful though, because I feel the reflux already. Okay, maybe just a little more. It's really good. I'm so surprised. I did not expect it like that.
Okay, so I guess the scale was reversed? Yes. So an 8.
Trying banana bread.
Some sort of banana bread pudding.
Yeah, banana bread pudding.
Y'all had me a little worried on that. I
Oh,
was thinking it was
that is good.
too.
We are trying ice cream at Jeni's Ice Cream. I got banana cream pudding, a birthday cake, and a double dough, I think. It's good.
Key lime pie and the rainbowberry cheesecake. I had the birthday cake last night.
Man, you all just got like one. I couldn't figure my mind.
also had basically all of the banana pudding dessert earlier.
Man, that is so good.
Is that the cookie dough one? Yeah. It's good. I tried it last night.
Wow. Double dough.
The key lime pie is almost sorbet and I like it.
I don't like the banana as much. It's good, but it's like...
I told you. It's kind of
weird.
fake. It's more fake flavor even.
We are back at the hotel. We've had a very fun day and now we are going to get ready for bed and get excited for another fun day tomorrow. A little update. Our flight was supposed to leave Saturday evening, but American Airlines gave us the option to switch our flight days, so we are now going to fly out Sunday morning. My mom and I agreed that seems like a much better time to fly out because our flight would be getting home at best at 1 a.m. without any delays. So we have made the switch and we're going to stay with Sophia, Emmy, and Blair Saturday night. That way we can just enjoy our Saturday, not have to worry about our luggage or anything. And it's always easy to just show the best parts of the trip, but I got my feet so burned at the beach yesterday that it just hurts to walk. Like, my feet hurt all last night. I've never had my feet burned like this, and now I know to include sunscreen on the feet going forward, and I will do that. But any cute shoe options that I had for today are no longer an option. We are just waiting to be picked up by the girls, and we're gonna go to the Charleston City Market, which I believe has local vendors, artwork and trinkets just to walk and look around, and then we're gonna do a lot of shopping today. We're gonna go back to King Street. We were shopping there last night, but they were all locking the doors. We didn't really get to do much yesterday. And then we also wanna go to Rainbow Row. The buildings are all painted pastel colors. It's very pretty. And I'm trying to think, I don't remember what else we're wanting to do today, but all fun things. Okay, taste test, Sophia. They got it hot and melted for you, didn't they?
Yes.
Well, it's fun. Okay. It's not. Callie's a
The best ice cream I've ever had, but it's not.
Thank you. We're thinking that we're gonna have to get matching friend pinky rings.
These are in our budget though.
Budget friendly. So the first half of the city market, we didn't really see anything we liked, and now we can't stop.
We haven't made it 3 booths
that we
for the
like.
second part.
So
We have our matching pinky rings.
oh yeah, this is cute. Yeah, look through there. Okay.
Yeah, it's really not that bad. The first part's like the anxiety.
have made it to the photo booth at Miller's. So the girls are in there and then we're gonna get in too. And my feet hurt so bad. We're hopefully gonna find some hydrocortisone cream. Look at that, but I won't. Is that it? Yeah. Okay. Cute. Love it. Darn it. Yay!
This is the Irish.
That's what I got. What's that mean?
That is.
There's anything else can I grab for you guys?
I think that's it for now.
Looking good?
Is it good?
It's good? Yeah. Oh, wrong buttons. Oh my. So far today, we've done a lot of shopping. We had lunch at Smash City Burgers, which was interesting. Would recommend carrying out. Got some pictures on Rainbow Row, and now we're gonna try to get in to dinner at Leon's, which they're not taking reservations for people under parties of 6, and they looked very full when we drove by. So, we'll see. We just got our dinner.
Shower. I don't know if you're gonna like it.
We good? Hush puppy?
Yep.
Can I try it?
Thank you.
Okay, I'm gonna, oh my gosh.
Did you just whack here?
No, it's just like stretching the foot. So we are back from a day of fun, but let me say, it was not all fun because my feet are so sunburned. They are swollen up, and I had to sit in a lot of shops, could not even shop. I will give you a little haul, and then I must go to bed. And also dinner was, it was fine, but would not go back again. It wasn't like the Obstinate Daughter, which we gave a 3 out of 10, but maybe this would be a 4 out of 10 at best. 3.5, maybe. I mean, I would never feel the need to try it again, except for their ice cream cone, which we didn't get, but it was really good. So, went to Brandy Melville, got this little pink, kind of off the shoulder top, just simple. You haven't seen this either, so This is news to you. A little pink striped tank top. This I was specifically looking for. This little white crisscross top. It's very cute. And I also got it in navy because it was just so cute. And just a plain white tank to go under sweaters and such. A very pretty tea towel. South Carolina. This very cute postcard. Love that one. And then also this one. So that's the haul. We are having fun, but it's very disappointing to not be feeling your best on a trip. I am so glad I did not sign up for the 10K that the girls are doing tomorrow because I have sausage feet right now. There's no way I could do it. I have never experienced this, but I'm just thankful that I can normally walk around without pain because this is terrible. And my mom wasn't feeling well either. She had to literally take a nap in the car while we went shopping this morning. But we're still having a great time. It really is a great time. It's just disappointing to not be feeling your best. But that's all for today. We are packed up and leaving our room. We're gonna stay with Sophia and the girls tonight. So our Uber is coming here in just a few minutes. We're gonna check out and then we'll drop our bags off and then maybe head to downtown. We'll see. We just got to the girls' Airbnb and it is so cute. I'm gonna give you a little tour really fast before they get back. This is the little living room area. We just put our stuff down here. A really cute kitchen, very nice and bright, with such a nice built-in area for the fridge. Going back to a little hallway, they've got the stacking washer and dryer. This is the little bathroom. And going down the hall, got one of the bedrooms. And then got one more bedroom that has 2 beds in it. It is just a really adorable Airbnb. And I'm not exactly sure what we're gonna do today, but it is windy. It is cold outside. So I have put on this dress, but honestly might need change. Thank you.
What we like doing? You guys want an extra plate? Yeah?
Very helpful, thank you.
Do you guys want ketchup, hot sauce, ketchup, hot sauce?
Well, what do you think? Well, it's pretty good. I'm happy to try some southern biscuits and gravy.
Yep, and the steak and eggs is good too.
Wonderful.
Well, we had a day full of shopping, but surprisingly, I only bought a postcard, so that was pretty good. And it's been very chilly all day, so got double sweaters. Now we are walking to Mellow Mushroom for a quick dinner, and hopefully we're gonna get some really cute soft serve ice cream cones after, which we're gonna be cold for, but it'll still be good. But honestly, I'm just tired and excited to get home tomorrow.
Me too.
Yeah. So this has been so much fun, but I am really ready to get home to Eli and the kitties and my own bed. And the weather at home has actually been nicer than here. Hi, can I get a waffle cone with the vanilla bean and rainbow sprinkles? Yes. We can report that the ice cream is very good.
Very good.
And it was worth the wait.
Oh yeah. There's a lot of people there.
It's hopping.
Welcome aboard.
We're
Group 3, that's first class, and 1 through 3 come to lane 2. Group 4 customers, you're welcome aboard. Show your boarding pass here.
We got up
Scan at the gate. That's first class, and 1 through 4 come up with your boarding passes ready for me, ladies and gentlemen.
And we've had really smooth flights so far. And I just can't wait to get home, see Eli, see the kitties, unpack, do some laundry. So it's been a great trip. Have you had a good trip? It's been a good trip. On the plane home.